Hey, what's up everyone? It is Tyiece here. So I will be showing you how I refresh my mini twists when I am not ready to take them out, but my hair is a little bit dry. So I start off with my hair steamer. So the steamer helps to add a lot of moisture and hydration to my hair, and it also opens up those hair follicles so that my hair can receive moisture from the products I apply. So it's been over a week and a half since I washed my hair and installed my mini twist, and my scalp is feeling a little bit dry right now. So I will be using the Pantene New Length Scalp Revitalizing Treatment. So this treatment helps to just refresh my scalp, just to wake up those follicles, and it just gives my scalp a nice menthol feel that tingles so that I can go a longer time with leaving my protective style in. Since it's been a while since I installed these mini twists, the front of my hair usually is the first sign of how long my twist has been in. So the thing I love to do is to just retwist the front row of mini twists. This helps to freshen up the style, and it helps it to look a lot more newer so it doesn't look as old. So I just loose out each twist at a time, and then I go ahead and use the Curls Dynasty Twisted Definition. This is the same curling cream that I used to install the twist, and I just go ahead and detangle that section and then just twist it right back up. As you can see, retwisting the front row definitely makes a huge difference to this hairstyle, and it doesn't look as old anymore, and I can confidently rock this style longer. Now I will be moisturizing my hair with the Camille Rose Honeydew. So this is a moisturizing spray, and I just take a bundle of twists and I focus on the ends first. It is the oldest. Make sure that you moisturize from the ends going straight up to the roots. And then I just moisturize all of those twists in sections so that I do not miss any twists.